Today we got something really cool. We're going to install a UniClutch Track in the 2023 Toyota GR Supra, running the legendary BMW B58 engine. Now this isn't just any clutch. This same modular unit will fit in thousands of vehicles. Not just this Supra, but also a BMW M2, M3, M4, even an M5. Really anything from the S65 to the F80. It even works in old classic BMWs like the cool S54. You're probably wondering, how does this even work when all these cars run different transmissions? Well, a UniClutch has 36 different interchangeable splines that will suit virtually any transmission on the market. So let's get into it. We're going to install the UniClutch Track onto the factory dual mass flywheel, which uses a fitment kit from UniClutch that comes together with a mount that suits this flywheel. It also comes with some different splines, including what we need for this B58 engine. It's the 26 by 35mm spline. Now, before we bolt the clutch to the flywheel, let's check into the UniClutch. That's right, the back of every UniClutch has a unique QR code that will instantly reveal all the manufacturing and performance specifications for this specific unit. Now, what makes the Track clutch really stand out is that you can not only daily drive this Supra with all the OEM levels of comfort and ease of operation that you get from the other UniClutches, but this can also go to the track without any compromise. And that's what's cool about this product. It's called the Track, but it's perfectly streetable. So now the first feel out on the road. To be honest, it feels awesome. With a performance clutch, normally you'd get a heavy pedal, lots of noise, lots of shudder, but you have a performance clutch under your foot. With this UniClutch, I really can't tell any difference to the factory clutch. It doesn't even feel like we've changed the clutch, but we've now got loads of torque capacity at our disposal, which you can see on the dyno. Now we're at the racetrack, and we're going to put the UniClutch Track through its paces. No speed limits, no rules, let's go for it. This is where all that extra torque capacity of the UniClutch Track is going to let us unleash the Supra. We've got smooth shifts, we've got rock solid reliability, absolutely no slipping or overheating, even on the intense demands of the racetrack. So if you're looking for the perfect balance of comfort and performance, this is one upgrade that you do not want to miss out on. Visit uniclutch.com to find the perfect clutch upgrade to suit your car.